welcome to my channel. Today I finally have another makeup tutorial for you. It's a rushed one, which you can tell because we're immediately jumping in rather than saying hi to the camera first. But yeah, I went to Castlefest today, which is a fantasy fair here in the Netherlands. It's in the middle of summer, obviously. Duh. But anyway, it's a lot of fun, like to judge by when I upload this and saying I went there today. Yeah. But also summer is quite busy at work because I usually go on vacation outside of the summer vacation. So I end up picking up shifts from other people. So I worked 6 days in a row for 2 weeks straight. So I didn't really have a lot of time to prepare. I also worked last night until 11. So yeah, I didn't get a lot of sleep and I had to hurry with my makeup. So this is really the whole reason I'm doing this makeup in under an hour. Less than 40 minutes actually. So yeah, I just did my eyebrows the way I always do them for work as well. And now I'm applying Mastix, which is just going to make sure that this stuff over here, scar wax, sort of scar wax, Cino wax, is a sort of more soft scar wax. But anyway, it will really hold onto my skin. It's still on there now that I'm filming the voiceover in the evening. But yeah, the stuff is like thinner than actual normal scar wax, which does make the effect less obviously there, like it's more subtle, but it is a lot easier to use and a lot easier to blend, so that's quite good if you're in a hurry. Then I'm making the fake cuts in the wax with a hairpin, because safety. I once used a pair of scissors for it. It was dangerous, it felt dangerous. A hair clip is a lot less tricky, because at least you won't accidentally really cut your skin open. Then I'm using a sealant, which is just going to make sure, even better than just with powder, that this is not going to remain sticky. And obviously doing that on both sides. Then while that's drying, I'm just going to do my concealer. And the concealer I'm also doing the exact same way as I do regularly for work. Basically just slapping it underneath my eyes a lot and doing it around my nose a lot less. But yeah, like I said, I had a short night. I needed a lot of concealer to not look actually like something doomed. So yeah, I'm just blending it out with quite a small brush. And then what I don't do for work, what I did do now, I just blended some cream concealer over the rest of my face. Well, not really my entire face, really. I just did my forehead a little bit and my nose and a little bit on my chin. Not much on my cheeks because I didn't want to brush over the fake cuts I made, so yeah. Then I'm going to do some powder. Oh, and also, because I didn't do foundation on my entire face, I don't have to bother with blush and everything and contour because I don't have time for that. So yeah, I am setting everything with powder. Now with the big brush, I'm going to do the largest part of my face, but also the fake cuts. Just so they're absolutely completely settled, sealed and not sticky anymore before I actually move on to going over them with paint. But yeah, before we get to that, we're going to do the eyeballs. I'm going to do a black liner on my waterline first, and then I'm also putting that on my top lash line. It doesn't have to be neat because I'm just slapping it on, and then I'm going to use a smudge brush to blend it out. But I just wanted that extra intensity around my eyes, and the eyeliner really helps with that. And once it's on there, I'm just going to put on some black eyeshadow. I'm just going to make a very rough, extremely rough, smoky-ish black eyeshadow wing. It's a fantasy look, it doesn't have to be neat, which is great because again, I was in a hurry. So I literally just slapped this on over top of just the concealer and powder. I didn't use any blending shades, I barely even bothered to blend. I just literally put it on there, and as long as it was dark and in roughly the correct position, it's perfectly fine. Don't be too difficult on yourself when you're in a hurry. Then a lot of mascara. You could, if you have time for it, actually use falsies. That would also look really cool, but I just went for mascara because it was quicker. And also on the bottom of the lashes for this look. Then I decided to add some glitter on the eyelids as well. This is from a Röde Cosmetics palette. And it's basically glitter in a glitter base. So it looks like an eyeshadow, but it's just glitter in a glitter base. But it really saves time because you don't have to use a glitter glue first and then grab the glitter and put it on and it's everywhere. It's just so much easier this way. And I also put a paler glitter in my inner corners as a highlight. Then I'm painting a line of gold. This is liquid body paint inside of the fake cash. And I'm also putting glitter on top of it. Now I'm also, well, after filming, I decided I didn't find it dark enough. So I also put some black liner in there, which you'll see in later footage. But not in the actual makeup tutorial filmed beforehand footage, because I didn't think of it then. Yeah. But anyway, I also just tossed a whole lot of glitter on my face. This glitter is also, by the way, makeup glitter, like body paint glitter, not just random crafting glitter glue. It's actually made to use on your skin. Then a classic red lipstick, because I know this lipstick is not going to budge no matter what I eat during the day. Then a little bit of eyebrow gel. And then some more of the glitter eyeshadow on my lips. Which also stayed on really well. It's literally still on there now that I'm like doing this voiceover in the evening. So that's good. And there's some setting spray and the look is done. The souvenir that I bought is a dragon with a bottle. Well, it's a bottle holder dragon. Anyway, the footage of Castlefest that I filmed, by the way, it looked very quiet because I filmed it really early in the morning. It got way busier later, but I had a lot of fun. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!